Welcome to the B&K Precision Machining channel. Today we'd like to present one of our recent projects, the production of a high-precision plastic component made from technical POM-C. At first glance, the part may appear simple, but in reality, it required extreme attention to detail. POM-C is a challenging material to work with. If clamped too tightly, thin walls deform, and if overheated by the tool, the surface loses its finish. This meant that every step of machining had to be carried out with carefully selected cutting parameters. The component included 4 holes, UR7, and 10 holes, UR2, all with H7 tolerance, as well as internal threads produced to 6H and 6G standards. Several surfaces required a mirror-like finish with Ray 0.2 roughness, and edges were processed with 0.5 times 45-degree chamfers. Dimensional and geometric control was carried out in accordance with ISO 2015 standards, Class M for dimensions and K for geometry. The production process consisted of several stages: initial saw cutting of raw material, precision CNC milling of the geometry with holes and threads, deburring and surface finishing to achieve raw 0.2 and clean chamfers, and finally protective packaging to ensure safe delivery without scratches or deformation. The greatest challenge of this project was to combine tight tolerances, flawless surface quality, and the delicate nature of POM-C. Through optimized machining strategies and careful handling, we successfully produced the part without deformation and with sharp, clean edges. Quality control accompanied every stage, from reviewing the drawings and verifying incoming material, through trial machining and in-process checks, to final inspection before packing. All measurements were performed with calibrated equipment by qualified specialists, ensuring full compliance with the specifications. As a result, we delivered a component that meets the highest industrial standards and is ready for integration into high-precision assemblies. And if you are looking for a reliable partner for your next high-precision project, don't hesitate to contact us. If you'd like to see more examples of our projects, make sure to subscribe to B&K Precision Machining. Thank you for watching.